Welcome once again, where I'm going to take you through how you're going to make a report card in Excel. So we're going to see the beauty of Excel. Okay, so as I said, you come here when you want to use Excel, you type the word Excel. Okay, brings you the app. Okay, it brings you your Excel app. You open it. Okay, give it time to open. You have to be a bit patient. Okay, as it's starting. Yeah, it brings us, we go to blank workbook. Okay, you click on it, it brings you your workbook where you're going to put your work. So today I'm going to show you how you're going to work on your report card. Here we go, let's get started. We shall start with the names. Okay, okay, we can give sorry, one type in our, okay, want to start with names. Okay, we go to SSD, we go to science, we go to mathematics, and lastly we go to English. Now the total marks. Okay, we have the average. Okay, yeah, let's go with that. So we are going to have a name. We have a people called Okelo. We have a next one called Opio. Okay, we have one called Sandra. We have again one called Timothy. Okay, we have again one called David. Again one called Leo. We have again one called Judith. We have again one called Fiber. Okay, so this is how the students performed in SSD. Okelo got 87, Opio got 97, then Sandra got 17, Timothy got 96, then David got 60, Leo got 99, Julie's got, she finished, she got 100, and Phoebe got 98. Okay, in science, not a mistake here, put 87 is what Okelo got. Then SSD, this one got 90, this one got 16, this one got 78, this one got 65, this one got 80, this one got 67, this one got 50, this one got 70. Okay, so 70. Okay, in mathematics, this one got 16, this one got 75. Okay, okay, now yes, in English, this one got 60, this one got 60, 65, Yeah, if you want the total. Okay, if you want our total, we say if we go to our functions. Okay, then we say we want the sum because we are adding. Okay, we want the sum. Okay, want the sum. Okay, yeah, it is telling us that it is from B to it is from B to E 2. Okay, then we say okay, gives us our total automatically. We autofill. You come here, bring your cursor here, brings you a bold plus, then you double click, it gives you all the answers smartly without you scratching your head. Okay, then we want to get the average. Okay, we go to functions again, brings you that, then we say want the average. Okay, we say want the average. Okay, see that from B to from B to yes, okay, you see that is the average. Okay, then we say let's all of here, that is the average. Okay, that is our average of each student. Yeah, that is our average of each student. Okay, that is our average. Yeah, then we say grading. Okay, one they get the grade of each child. Okay, want to get the grade. Okay, you put the, you say equal sign, this is our mouse. Okay, this is our card. Okay, basically we end here for today, but there are more things that you want to do which you can perform on this report cards. There are many. You can even create a pie chart, you can even create a graph to see how students perform. But for today we stop here. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, and don't forget to share. Okay, we meet in our next video. Thanks.